not just the Nifty, but the Sensex as well has been scaling fresh highs. Up to 66,000 mark now for the first time ever, and I guess every move now will be a historic high. We've been talking about what's happening across the broader market. Yes, the earning contenders are getting extremely sensitive, but it's quite an intriguing move that you're seeing on Federal Bank. Started off the day quiet, marginally higher, and then from there it's seen a sudden drop. In fact, the drop hasn't stalled at all. Now it's down about 4.5% as we speak. Let me quickly take it across to Harsh and find out what exactly is the street penciling in, considering Federal Bank is going to report its numbers today. Harsh?
Right, so on the advances side now, the rate hiking cycle is close to its finish, but on the deposit side, there has been a war. So what's essentially brewing at Federal Bank is you're seeing a bit of NIM compression, which is margin compression coming in. What's happened is, as background, Q4 of FY23 saw NIMs fall quite sharply. The guidance exit, which is Q4 FY23, was roughly 3.35%. NIMs came in closer to that 3.3% mark. Now in Q1, the results expected today, we're expecting NIM to come further lower. 3.25% is the expectation of where NIMs will be in this particular quarter, and that's probably what's impacting the stock. The margin compression that's coming through. See, on the growth side, Federal Bank has done fairly well. You've seen 20% growth on both sides of the balance sheet, which is advances as well as deposits, and deposit number truly standing out in my view. So largely you're seeing good deposit growth, but you're also seeing margin compression, which is what the problem is. So what impact will this have on the numbers or the expectations? Net interest income largely expected to be flat sequentially. You're also seeing operating income in fact slightly lower sequentially because of the higher OPEX that's coming through for all banks, and therefore you're seeing PAT also slightly lower sequentially. No concerns with regard to asset quality is expected, but the NIM is going to be the key number to watch out for once the result comes through.